All right, guys, we got a 2018 Kia Stinger GT. This is what it sounds like before we done anything to it. Go ahead, factory. Wow, it's so quiet. You can't even hear it. You hear the blow-up valve more. Again, here's sound decibels. So it's right at 84 with the blow-out valve. One more. We'll let you guys hear it after. 18 Kia Stinger Turbo GT, twin turbo. Really sexy car. It's got a lot of options on it, a lot of upgrades he's done, carbon fiber stuff. It's really cool. I like the look of these, man. They're fast too. If you guys look them up, they're really fast vehicles. Anyways, it's got factory converters up there, 2 of them. Then secondaries there. Then a factory X-pipe. And believe it or not, man, it's all 2-inch for some reason. I told him to bring it back, and we're gonna run it 2.5 all the way back to open it up. Then he kept the factory resonators there. Then 2-inch pipe out the back. And what we did is put 2 vibrant mufflers, bottle style resonators, as you guys can see right there, instead of the mufflers that were on it. There and right there. And it usually comes dual, so we just ran it out single until he comes back, because we're gonna do a full kit for him. And we kept the stock mufflers on it there. I mean, these are the stock mufflers that we cut off right there and right there. They come single in, dual out to make it even quieter. So that's what it looks like after. 2 vibrants. There's the part number on them, 1790. There'll be a link in the description for them if you guys do want them. There and there. And like always, guys, please like, comment, subscribe. Do all you guys do for us. We really appreciate it. And share the heck out of this video if you like the sound. The accents he left on there. Carbon fiber there. An added wing there. And he is a disabled veteran, so we really appreciate his service. We really do. And look at the mirrors. They're different. A lot of little accents here and there that he's done to it. Little hood scoop thingy on the front. Air deflector. It's really sexy. And then front lip there. So good, really good looking car. We'll let you guys hear it. There we go. Yeah, now it's got a little bit of a tone. His biggest thing, he didn't want drone. That's why we left the resonators on it. Here's sound decibels. 92.4. So it made it a lot louder. That's perfect. Again. Perfect. That's perfect. I like it. It's not always about being loud. It's about just clean. Certain cars, you just want them sounding clean. Let you guys hear on the inside. You guys wonder what the motor looks like? There it is. Turbo, twin turbo, baby. Sexy little car. For a Kia, I'd drive it. I won't even think twice about it. They're touring, man. That's a really nice car. Quick, too. How many horses is it? 450? Wow. What kind of tune was it?
JB4.
JB4s?
JB4.
JB4. It's got a JB4 tune. It pushes 400 horse. Huh?
93
And 93 and flex fuel. So let's see the takeoff, guys. Well, he added those lights in there too. It's like it's breathing. You know? That's sick. Perfect that this is not too much, you know? Just clean. Brembo brakes. Wow! Beast mode and a stinger.
Not bad.